Welcome to Dubai, where I am standing at the car park of IMG Worlds of Adventure. This park used to be crowded daily, but since the COVID pandemic there isn't many people visiting. IMG Worlds of Adventure is an indoor amusement park in the United Arab Emirates in Dubai. It is Dubai's first mega-themed entertainment destination. The park is divided into 5 epoch zones. 2 of the 5 zones represent global brands Cartoon Network and Marvel, while IMG Boulevard and the Lost Valley, Dinosaur Adventure zones are original concepts created by the IMG Group. Novo Cinema is the 5th section of IMG Worlds of Adventure, and agreement was signed between Novo Cinema and IMG World of Adventure in May 2015. IMG Worlds of Adventure is the largest temperature-controlled indoor-themed entertainment destination in the world, covering an area in excess of 1.5 million square feet, with the capacity to welcome more than 20,000 guests a day. The destination features roller coasters, thrill rides, and other attractions based on popular Cartoon Network characters, iconic Marvel superheroes and animatronic dinosaurs. Other facilities include a variety of themed retail stores and dining venues, and a 12-screen Novo Cinema complex. IMG Worlds of Adventure is situated within City of Arabia, along Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road.